Ever wondered how to optimize your diet for maximum health and performance? Well, you're not alone. Enter the Bulletproof Diet, a revolutionary approach to nutrition that promises to supercharge your body and mind. The brainchild of Dave Asprey, the Bulletproof Diet was born out of a personal quest for better health and performance. It's a roadmap to a high-performance life, offering a holistic approach to well-being that goes beyond mere calorie counting. At the heart of the Bulletproof Diet are three key principles: high fat, moderate protein, and low carbohydrate intake. It's not just about what you eat, but when and how you eat it. This diet is designed to help your body function at its peak, optimizing energy levels, cognitive function, and overall health. So, are you ready to transform your life through your diet? Let's dive deeper into the specifics of this revolutionary diet, shall we? What are the core principles of the Bulletproof Diet that set it apart from other diets? This is a question that many find themselves asking as they embark on their journey towards healthier living. Let's delve into the crux of what makes the Bulletproof Diet unique. Firstly, the Bulletproof Diet places a strong emphasis on healthy fats. Yes, you heard that right, fats. But before you raise your eyebrow, take note that these aren't just any fats. We're talking about nourishing, high-quality fats like avocados, coconut oil, and grass-fed butter. These fats are not villains. In fact, they're heroes that fuel your body and keep your brain functioning at its best. Next, the diet encourages moderate protein intake. It's not about chowing down on steak every meal, but rather integrating a balance of high-quality protein sources like wild-caught fish, grass-fed meat, and pastured eggs into your diet. This ensures that your body gets the essential amino acids it needs without going overboard. And lastly, the diet promotes low carbohydrate consumption, especially avoiding those that are high in sugar and processed grains. Instead, it promotes consuming carbohydrates from nutrient-dense vegetables and fruits. But the Bulletproof Diet isn't just about food. It also introduces an innovative concept called biohacking. Now, what does biohacking mean? Essentially, it's about manipulating your environment and lifestyle to take control of your biology and improve your health. This could involve anything from tweaking your sleep patterns to adjusting your exercise regime, all with the intention of optimizing your body's performance. In essence, the Bulletproof Diet isn't just a diet. It's a lifestyle overhaul, a new way of relating to your body and your health. It's about understanding how different foods and lifestyle choices can impact your well-being and using that knowledge to make choices that serve you better. Understanding these principles is the first step to unlocking a healthier, more energetic you. So, are you ready to take that step? So, what are the foods that make up the Bulletproof Diet? Let's delve into the nitty-gritty of the Bulletproof Diet food list. This isn't just about what you eat, but also about when and how you eat it. The Bulletproof Diet is all about high-quality, nutrient-dense foods that provide the energy you need to conquer your day. First and foremost, healthy fats are at the core of the Bulletproof Diet. Don't shy away from avocados, known for their rich monounsaturated fats, or grass-fed butter packed with beneficial fatty acids. These foods are not only delicious, but also keep you satisfied and fuel your brain. Next, we have moderate protein sources. These aren't your average run-of-the-mill proteins. We're talking about grass-fed meat, which is higher in omega-3 fatty acids and antioxidants compared to grain-fed meat. And don't forget about wild-caught fish, an excellent source of lean protein and omega-3s. Now, you might be wondering about carbohydrates. The Bulletproof Diet encourages low-carb vegetables as the primary carbohydrate source. Think leafy greens, broccoli, cauliflower, and the like. These veggies are low in sugar but high in fiber and other essential nutrients, helping you feel full longer while keeping your blood sugar levels stable. And let's not forget about fruits. While many diets shun fruits due to their sugar content, the Bulletproof Diet includes antioxidant-rich fruits like berries and cherries, but in moderation. Finally, hydration is crucial on the Bulletproof Diet. Aside from plenty of water, Bulletproof coffee, a blend of coffee, grass-fed butter, and brain octane oil, is a staple beverage on this diet. Remember, it's not just about eating these foods, but also about how they're prepared. Opt for cooking methods that preserve nutrients and avoid harmful substances. So there you have it. A rundown of the Bulletproof Diet's food list. Each food item is chosen for its ability to provide high-quality energy and nutrients, keeping you satisfied and powered throughout the day. With the right foods, you're well on your way to transforming your health. A diet is only as good as its meal plan, right? So, what does a day on the Bulletproof Diet look like? Let's dive into a typical day, shall we? Picture this. Your day begins not with a plate of scrambled eggs or a bowl of cereal, but with a cup of bulletproof coffee. This isn't your average brew. It's a special concoction of high-quality, single-origin coffee beans, brain-octane oil, and grass-fed butter. This unique blend is designed to kickstart your day with an energy boost, while promoting cognitive function and keeping hunger at bay. As the clock hits noon, it's time for a high-fat, moderate protein lunch. Think of a salad loaded with leafy greens, topped with a hearty serving of grass-fed meat, and dressed with a generous drizzle of extra virgin olive oil. It's not just about satisfying your hunger, but also about fueling your body with the right nutrients for optimum performance. When dinner rolls around, it's all about keeping it low-carb. You might enjoy a piece of wild-caught fish along with a side of roasted vegetables. The focus here is on quality proteins and nutrient-dense veggies, while keeping the carb count in check. But the Bulletproof Diet is more than just what you eat. It's also about when you eat. It encourages intermittent fasting, a practice where you cycle between periods of eating and fasting. This helps your body to tap into its fat stores for energy, promoting weight loss and boosting your metabolic health. And let's not forget about snacks. If you find yourself feeling peckish between meals, reach for Bulletproof-approved snacks like olives, avocado, or a handful of raw nuts. These options are packed with healthy fats and are sure to keep you satiated until your next meal. The Bulletproof Diet is designed to work in harmony with your body's natural rhythms, providing you with the right nutrients at the right time. It's a lifestyle change that can lead to sustainable weight loss, improved cognitive function, and overall better health. With this meal plan, you're not just eating healthier, you're eating smarter. The Bulletproof Diet promises a lot of benefits, but what does the science say? Well, proponents of the Bulletproof Diet tout a myriad of potential advantages. These include not just weight loss, which many diets promise, but also enhanced energy levels and improved cognitive function. By eliminating processed foods and prioritizing high-quality fats and proteins, the diet claims to help you feel more focused and energetic throughout the day. It's like a tune-up for your brain and body, optimizing your performance both mentally and physically. Weight loss is another key benefit, with the diet's high-fat, low-carb approach designed to put the body in a state of ketosis, a metabolic state where fat, rather than sugar, becomes the body's primary fuel source. This can lead to a reduction in body fat and a leaner physique. However, it's not all sunshine and roses. Critics of the Bulletproof Diet have raised concerns over its high-fat content. While the diet promotes healthy fats, consuming large amounts can still lead to an increase in calorie intake, which might not be ideal for everyone. There are also concerns about the diet's sustainability. The Bulletproof Diet requires a fair amount of planning and preparation. It's not just about what you eat, but also when and how you eat it. This can be quite a shift from traditional eating habits and may be challenging to maintain in the long term. Moreover, while the diet's benefits sound impressive, they are largely based on anecdotal evidence and personal testimonies. There's a lack of long-term, peer-reviewed studies on the Bulletproof Diet specifically. As with any diet or lifestyle change, it's always important to consider the scientific evidence or lack thereof. Like any diet, the Bulletproof Diet isn't for everyone, but for those who it works for, it can be a game changer. So if you're considering this diet, it's important to weigh the potential benefits against the criticisms and decide for yourself if it's the right fit for your lifestyle and health goals. So, is the Bulletproof Diet the right choice for you? It's a question you might be asking yourself after learning about the core principles, the specific foods, the meal plan, and the various benefits and criticisms. This high-fat, low-carb diet may be appealing with its promise of sustained energy, weight loss, and improved cognitive function. But it's important to remember that everybody is unique. What works for one person may not work for another. The Bulletproof Diet does require a certain level of commitment and discipline, and may not be suitable for those with certain health conditions. Therefore, it's crucial to consult with a healthcare professional before starting any new diet. They can guide you based on your personal health history and specific nutritional needs. Remember, the best diet is the one that works for you and fits your lifestyle. Here's to your health.